Thank you, Blake. All right, guys, I am so excited to bring you this new 360 video today. Wait, something just doesn't feel right. I'm not in the right location to start this. All right, much better. Guys, like I said, so excited about this new Rockwood. Brand new floor plan. Well, brand new to us anyway. Just got it. This will not last long. Got everything you need for it in a big, long 40-foot trailer, except it's only 29 foot, only weighs 6,500 pounds, half-ton towable, great price, will not last long. So, without further ado, again, this is a 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2613 BS. That's Boy Sam BS, or Blake Shelton on the radio, however you want to look at it. 2613 BS. As always, in the corner here, this is a 360 video, so you guys can scroll around, follow me around, do it however you want, zoom in, zoom out. But I'm going to go ahead and get started here. To the right, as you can see, is the kitchen slash dining area here. As usual, you got your Magic Chef 22-inch oven. Most of them are only 17. Rockwood always goes above and beyond, the extra 5 inches there. Above that is your typical cover with your light and fan option with the Magic Chef oven. To the left here, you got your double-sided sink with the sprayer on into the entertainment slash bar area. What I love about this one, it still gives you a place to sit. But you do have a table that will also go in front of the theater seating. But theater seating directly across from the Insignia TV here with DVD player. Surround sound, as you guys heard, is playing in. Bar area here and bar chairs there. This is a nice Millersburg collection trifold sofa. So not only is it real comfortable, but it also will fold out into a bed for if you have extra company. Each nightstand on each side here does have USB ports and plenty of room for plugs, and then you got your plug in the corner here that comes stock on all the Rockwoods. That doesn't take up counter space if you're not using it. You got the night roller shades that are white, not black. They don't attract heat. That comes stock on all the frameless window Rockwoods here. Plenty of storage up top with real Newport ash wood. Better hinge system that is easy to adjust. Plenty of storage here. Over in the area across from the TV is your Millersburg theater seating with lumbar support. Cup holders, GFI outlets in the middle there. Also, you know, like I said, could fold up. Someone could sleep long ways if needed. Hidden storage on the side here for remotes and stuff like that. Plenty of windows in all the Rockwoods, but for on the real hot days, you can pull these night roller shades down to help block out the heat. Plenty of lighting here. Coming across in the area, you got your Magic Chef standard 12-volt fridge. All Rockwoods, because they're better than everyone else, comes with a solar panel. Not solar prep, with a solar panel. It's on it, ready to go. That's what this remote is back here. Got your RV Comfort Zone thermostat there. Your monitor panel here. Back in this area, we got the bedroom and the bathroom entrance door here that I'm going to show you so that we can get on going with this tour and you guys can hurry up and get down there and come buy this thing from me. So let's go ahead and jump on back into the bathroom. All right. Now that we've jumped on back into the bathroom of this 2613 BS, Boy Sam, we are going to get a little tour of the bathroom here. So this shower is not working right with me right now. I think it's because the tray is a little bit unlevel because it's just going. So if I let it go all the way, it is going to block the video. But, so I can still do the tour with one hand. I'm that good. You got lighting above here. You got your MaxxAir vents with the vent operated off of a switch or remote that comes stock on all the Rockwoods. Across from that area there, you have your Madison cabinet with mirror, sink, storage underneath, and the upgraded Dometic porcelain foot flush toilet. You have entries both ways to your bedroom or out to the living room. Towel rack here, and then you got plenty of storage right here. Shower miser that comes installed on all of the Rockwood product showers, in the skylight above there for all you tall folks. Last but not least, we're going to slide on back into the bedroom, so follow me back. Alright, now that we've slid on back into the bedroom of this 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2613 BS, that's Boy Sam. Last part of the tour today. This is the bedroom, obviously, in this area. What I love about this trailer, again, 29-foot total length, 26-foot living space, 6,500 unloaded, is the bedroom still huge. Obviously, the bed's in the slide. You guys can see that there. You got your backer location right here for your TV. Plugs are all right there. You got the magnet latched door. Really awesome. You know, operates real easy. Plenty of walk-around room here. I'm a pretty wide feller myself. You see, you got plenty of space to walk around. Front window in here. You got your outlet, USB ports, everything you need over here for CPAP machines. You got your night reading lights up top there with USB port, storage above there, night roller shades on each window. They do not cut any corners here. I like this little area over here. Good spot for like a computer, laptop, or something like that with USB and GFIs. Plenty of storage, guys. Storage under the bed, and then a real big storage in here. Hanger rails already in there. So that is the final tour of this 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2613 BS. Sorry, you know what? I just don't feel comfortable closing out in this spot. I'm gonna go back to my happy spot. Alright, there we go. Guys, like I was saying, this trailer will not last long. Please come down and see it for yourself. I didn't even show you the outside. A lot of cool stuff on the outside that I can't show in 360 video. Come down and schedule a free demo. Just come down and look at it. You don't have to buy it. You will, but you don't have to. Come down and ask for me. I'll be more than happy to give you a complete demo. And guys, just remember, it is time. It is here. Just like my buddy Blake was playing on the radio, the sunshine is coming back. Camping season is here. It's not among us. It is here. Sunshine's coming. These things are not going to last long. Come down, ask for me so I can get you a free demo. Come down to Bell Camper Sales. We'll get you camping. And without further ado, I'm bringing back the sunshine.